If you want to go ahead and then record yourself with the built-in camera, then insert it out over here on Google Vids project, then you can easily do that as well. So to do that, over here on the right hand side, you can see that record is an option. And then over here, you can see that camera is an option right here. So now you have to allow the use of microphone and cameras while visiting this site right here. And once you do that, this is what you have, as you can see. So it's loading up the camera right here just like this. And in a while, you'll be able to see your built-in camera right there. And now you can see that it is loaded, and this is what you have. So now what you can simply do is you can go ahead and start the recording. So it shows a countdown, and you can see, hello there and welcome to TutorTube, where you can learn about general computing and multimedia related contents. So hope you enjoy the courses that we have on the YouTube channel right here. So now what I can do is I can go ahead and show the script while this is being recorded as well, if you want as well. So you can see that if you have any script, it'll show up right here. And if you want to stop it, then you can simply stop the recording. And then you can also turn off the microphone if you want to mute it out while you're recording video. So let me just go ahead and pause the recording right here. And this is what you have. You can even go ahead and preview it out if you want to. So let's just go around and preview it. You can press the play button to preview it right here. And you can see, hello there and welcome to TutorTube, where you can learn about. So that is what you have, and you can simply go ahead and click on insert right here, and the video clip will be inserted. And you can go ahead and place it out wherever you want, and even go ahead and crop it out and use it out like other videos right here. Place it wherever you want. And if I were to press the play button, and you can see, hello there and welcome to TutorTube, where you can, that is what you have. You can go ahead and adjust the positioning inside the crop as well, and learn about general computing. And that is how you can go ahead and record yourself with the built-in camera tool, and then insert the video out and right here just like this in Google Vids as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe